Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accessorize. 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 Accessorize is a verb that means to add or wear accessories, such as jewelry, scarves, hats, or bags, to complement one's clothing or style. Accessories are items that are not essential but enhance the overall look or functionality of an outfit. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she decided to accessorize her elegant dress with a statement necklace and matching earrings. Why accessorize is used in example number 1. Accessorize is used to describe the action of adding jewelry as enhancements to the dress, enhancing its overall appearance. Example number 2, his choice to accessorize his casual attire with a fedora hat gave him a unique and stylish look. Why accessorize is used in example number 2. Accessorize indicates his decision to wear a hat as a style enhancement, contributing to his unique and stylish appearance. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.